Shemai. Okay, so yesterday was a bit of a roller coaster because I've been waiting for my passport to arrive, and it did. It finally arrived. If you've been watching these videos, though, you know the trouble that we've had with things getting lost in the mail and paperwork issues, all things that were out of our hands. Well, later in the afternoon, after I got my passport, I took a closer look at it, and apparently, I'm a woman. I don't care what lighting it is. I don't care how bad the photograph is. I don't care what angle you're looking at me. I'm not a woman. I've never been mistaken for that. I'm also a bald man. A bald, bearded, gray-haired man. Not a woman. So it's just something else, another hurdle that we have to go over. We are getting so close to this trip, and I'm trying to stay positive with it. I actually made another video yesterday that I was going to post instead of this one, talking about how I've trusted God in this process, and that once I put my faith back in Him rather than the post office and places like that, things started going smoothly. Well, as soon as I made that video, I went inside and looked at the passport. Folks, you got to keep your faith in God. Because as soon as I saw that, I got angry. And I thought, well, okay, maybe this is a test. Do I truly have my faith in God in all of this? And I feel like I failed that test. I did a lot of praying last night and this morning, and I do believe this is what God wants me to do. And if I believe that, I have to know that He'll make it happen. So, another hurdle, that's okay. I've faced hurdles my entire life. And this is just another one. Okay, so I'll have to do what I have to do. All this new paperwork, send it in, and be patient and trust in the God that I believe wants me to go to Cymru. All right, I'll keep you updated. I'll see you soon. If not before, Pope Oil.